Welcome to the Mirror Protocol Staking Migration tutorial. The Mirror Protocol has developed an optimized staking platform that supports additional tokens. This is an important step towards supporting more Mirror tokens in the future. First, open your browser and go to staking.themirrorprotocol.com. Next, you'll need to connect your wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button. A staking pool migration pop-up message will appear. Please read it carefully to understand the process. Once you've read the message, click the Acknowledge button to proceed. You will now see your current stake total. To begin the migration, click on the Unstake button. Confirm the pop-up notifications on your Wallet Connect or MetaMask tool. Now select the amount you want to migrate to the new staking pool. Confirm the pop-up notifications on your Wallet Connect or MetaMask tool once again. If you're using MetaMask, when the pop-up that says Set a Spending Cap appears, select the default option. Otherwise, there's potential of tokens being sent back to your wallet instead of the option to auto-restake. Congratulations! You have now completed the migration. Once the final message appears on the screen, simply click the Close button to return to the home screen. This video is made by ByteSizeBlox and powered by Blockbusters Tech.